Hi there, welcome to Game Foundry. Today's video I will show you how to create a crouch movement in Unreal Engine 5. It's a very simple tutorial, then here we go. Open your content browser and let's select third person character BP. Now let's add the left control keyboard, copy this part of the last video, and now let's create a new timeline event that will be crouch knee. Let's connect the cables and let's change the values. Open your timeline and let's change to crouch track. In the first keyframe, let's add the value 0, and the last keyframe, let's add the value 1. Now let's select the point and let's add this curve. Now let's get our capsule and let's set the height. Now let's add a lerp. Change the cable position. Now let's put the values and connect to the height. And that's it guys, thank you for watching. Please give her a like and subscribe to the channel to don't lose any content. We publish videos here every week and I hope that I was able to help you with this, okay? Bye bye, see you next video.